All right, so this video is to show how. Okay, this video is to show how you can link Zoom to your Blackboard. So I'll just show you on mine. So here we go. Here's my class, and so the way I did it, we're talking about food right now. So I've been changing the background every day. The way I did it was I went over to this plus area. And I used, let's see, I think it's the tool link. Here we go. And then I went down and chose Zoom meeting here, and I named it, right? So this is, I'm just gonna name this task because I'm gonna delete it in a minute. I'm not gonna make it available to my users, but you'll need to, right? And so hit submit, and here it is, and you click on it, and it takes a minute, opens up Zoom, right? And then what I have done on mine is that I have scheduled all of my classes and my office hours ahead of time, right? So all my students have to do is come to this tab or to the other tab and hit start, right? So the way you do that is schedule a new meeting, right? And then it's, fairly self-explanatory from here, right? So what I did was I made it recurring, and I had it recur, let's see, daily, and I made sure it ended after we were done with classes, and then I had to go through and delete the Saturdays, the Sundays, and the Thursdays. And then with the office hours, I just did it, once a week on my Tuesday office hour and once a week on my Friday office hour. It's fairly easy to do. You hit save there. So you hit save here, and then it will look like this. Your students. So the meeting will have the same ID for all the ones that you do repeatedly on the occurring one. So anyway, hope this is helpful. Let me know if you have any questions about it.